Ni hao! Welcome to our channel, where we're about to embark on an exciting journey to master the Chinese language in just 6 months. Whether you're fascinated by Chinese culture, planning a trip to China, or simply looking to expand your language skills, learning Mandarin can open up a world of opportunities. But where do you start? With so many characters, tones, and grammar rules, Mandarin can seem daunting at first. That's why we've developed a foolproof plan to guide you through the process. Step 1. Focus on mastering essential language skills. We'll break down the basics of pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary to give you a solid foundation for communication. Practice those tones until they become second nature. Remember, practice makes perfect. Step 2. Implement proven study strategies. From flashcards to language apps, we'll explore the most effective methods for retaining new vocabulary and grammar concepts. With the right tools and techniques, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can progress. Step 3. Incorporate practical tips for success into your daily routine. From immersing yourself in Chinese media to practicing with native speakers, we'll share insider secrets to accelerate your learning. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every conversation is an opportunity to improve. So, are you ready to take the plunge and master Mandarin in just 6 months? Follow our guide, stay committed, and before you know it, you'll be conversing fluently in Chinese. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our language learning community. Together, we'll unlock the doors to fluency in Mandarin. 再见!